Ever since we were kids, we've loved lights. Great lighting can celebrate, inspire, soothe, and excite. We've been working hard on a completely new way to create lighting. One that lets anyone create a mood, enhance an occasion, or just have fun. This is Light by RocketLife. Light is creative software and hardware that lets you add custom lighting to almost anything. We wanted to make something that could be used by all kinds of people in all sorts of ways, from setting up amazing home and holiday lighting, to making signs, enhancing your crafts, or creating a work of art. We think lighting is at its best when it's in motion. Light by RocketLife lets you tell a story with subtle gradients, sparkles, natural motion, and layered effects. After years of design, numerous prototypes, and tons of testing, we're finally ready to launch our Kickstarter and start production. We hope you'll join us. We can't wait to see what you'll do with light.